Okay, today we have Teeho smart lock. And let's bring the box. To Teeho smart lock. Bought it for $33 from Amazon. People, they say it's good. Let's see. We're gonna install it very quick, very fast. It took me 20 minutes. What we have this part. It goes inside the door, and this part, and the lock part. And we have two large screws. Okay, let's start with this one. I already removed the lock. We put it down like this. It goes here like this. Up. Okay. This goes down. Boom. Now, after we tie those two screws, now we put this part. We have to turn it like this. Boom. Okay, this cable goes down and this goes inside the lock. Now this part like this, the cable goes in this hole, and then we put it like this. Now we add the two screws. This we're gonna put them in these two holes. Okay, just a reminder to put these two screws. It's very hard you have to guide them through the holes to go to the place here, the second part. And you don't want to leave space between the door and the lock, because the water or the rain can damage the lock. It has to be tight. Okay? So guide this and tight them, then you put this part. This part, this goes here, where the red dot goes here, and then this goes to this hole, like this. Now you have to tie these two screws. Tie them and put three batteries here. Now you put 3 lithium batteries. I picked Energizer because it's the best batteries for ever. Lithium batteries, and you see here, you see this little button. Put and click like this. for a second and put the fourth batteries. And finally you put the cover and close it. Now, see, it's working. Now to change the code, the factory code,